Hello guys, welcome back to the programming guide channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to get back the normal Roblox. So a lot of people Roblox have done to the kid Roblox and they wanted to go back due to the verification process you need to undergo on your Roblox, like this the newest update. So all you need to do is you actually need to go to your settings in your Roblox, right? And once you go to settings, it's going to display your account info, right? So you can see clearly where it says continue with camera, continue with ID. So you actually need to choose to continue with ID. That's going to either use like your driver license or maybe national identity, right? And also you can actually decide to use the camera where they get to do like a facial verification, right? They get to check and make sure you are up to date and it matches with the one you actually added. You understand? So it's just literally how you're going to do it. So now they're going to do a camera check on me, so you just click on continue, and once you do continue, make sure your camera is good. So you just click on continue and they're going to do that actually. So you get to allow and it's going to process for a while, and make sure you are in a very good settings, good environment where your lights can actually work. So after doing all this verification, they're going to actually help, and it's going to help get back your normal Roblox, right? So you just have to actually do the age verification check either with your ID or your camera, and you're going to get your normal Roblox back. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more episodes like this. Thanks for watching guys. This is my next video. Bye.